Hi guys, hi my beautiful people. So for those who want to become transcriptionists, what does it entail? What does it entail? What are the requirements? Come here, move closer. You're here. Oh, good. All right, so you want to become a transcriptionist. First of all, the question is most people are going to ask is, what is transcriptionist? A transcriptionist is someone who listens to an audio and they record down what they are listening to. And most of the time, for you to become successful as a transcriptionist, you need to deliver 99.9% accurate information. That is what they guarantee to their client, and that is what you do as a transcriptionist. So when you listen to an audio, make sure you listen carefully. Make sure you write down the correct information that you hear. So what does it entail for you to become successful as a transcriptionist? First of all, you need to be fluent in the language. Yes, English. They're going to test you on your fluency in English, your grammatical, your punctuation, all that. They're going to look at it. And your typing speed test. They want you to be typing like 30 words per minute. If you're very slow in typing, that's a problem. But still, it doesn't mean you cannot apply to become a transcription. You can still apply, but it just means that you'll take a lot of time to finish one job. But remember, the more jobs you complete, the faster you do it, the more money you end up earning at the end of the day. So what kind of platforms they are offering transcription work? There's a platform called Go Transcript. There's a platform called rev.com, and there are many others. I'm just giving you what I know from my head. Anyway, so the kind of platform that literally are on your side. They want freelancers from around the world, whether you're coming from Kenya or Nigeria or maybe Australia or Canada. It doesn't matter. What matters is, do you have the skills? What matters is, can you deliver quality work? What matters is, can you deliver work on time? That's what they're looking for. That is what they're interested in. So once they vet you, once they give you that test and you pass that test, yes, they're going to test you on your typing speed test and your English fluency. You pass the test, they tell you, voila, congratulations, now you can start working for them. You can choose any type of job you want. Usually what happens is they post jobs every single day. There are hundreds and hundreds of jobs which have been posted for transcription work. Your work is just to choose the type of jobs you're going to do. All right, so you're going to choose the types of job you're going to do. You do one job, you deliver on time, you make sure the work is of high quality. Let me stress again, let me repeat again, deliver high quality work. When you deliver quality work, it does two things. One, you're able to attract future clients, because a client is going to give you a 5-star rating saying you did a good job, you deliver high quality work, because each work you submit as a transcriptionist is going to be graded. And if a client is happy, they're going to give you a positive review. And when you get a positive review, you're able to attract more future clients to want to work with you. And the more you do a good job, the more you deliver high quality work, you're able also to increase your prices. You're able to do more jobs. You're able to get promoted to do those complex, high-paying transcription work that are paying more money, and also that translates to you earning more money at the end of the day. So guys, transcription work is a place for you. They are looking for you. They are waiting for you. So what you need to do is apply. Application process is signing up with them, using your email address, which is free of charge. Then you're going to verify yourself. You're going to upload your national ID or your passport to verify, to find out, are you who you say you are, to establish trust. Yeah, in the process, they're going to find out, are you 18 years old and above, because they only want to work with people who are above 18 years old. Once you've done that, your profile, make sure you put down the skills that you have as a transcriptionist, and then of course you go through the testing process. Once you pass the testing, the testing period is of course, to get the feedback is around 2 weeks. It will take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending there. Latest one month. Yeah, then of course you start working for them. Remember, you're going to be graded. Remember, you have to deliver work on time. Remember, with the types of job you do, it's all about you delivering. Okay, and when you do a good job, they're going to promote you. So that's how transcription operates. And for you to be successful, deliver always quality work. So if you have any question whatsoever about transcription work, I'd love to hear from you guys. So the website themselves, I've told you about Go Transcript I've told you about rev.com. Those are the websites I know for a fact they accept freelancers from around the world. So don't miss on this opportunity. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye bye.